See, as you can see, I've already created the patty, crab meat, Phillips to be exact. So right now I'm just adding some plain breadcrumbs. You also have the garlic and herb breadcrumbs. Yeah, that does it. Also, we're gonna go in here. We're gonna get some Old Bay, not New Bay, but Old Bay. Not too much, you know, just enough. Stir that around a little bit. Then I'm gonna take these, come around. See, as you see, it might break off a little bit when you put it in the pan. So I'm gonna leave it just like that. Go ahead, just a little bit more olive oil to the pan just to get it a little more lubed up. No homo. And I'm gonna throw this other one in here. Okay. That sucker right there. And I'll do the same right here. Put that bad boy right there. Last one. Now we sort of broke off. You know, yours might do that, but if you get it in the pan immediately, you don't have to worry about that. Now you want to let them sit on each side for 4 to 6 minutes. We'll move over here. My hands washed up a little bit. And that's how you make crab cake.